let's take a look at this very interesting early 19th century book. Early to mid, it's the Book of Commerce, of Sea and Land, Agriculture, Arts, and Manufactures, 1837 Philadelphia. It's got paper-covered boards like so with a leather spine that's been gilt-ruled, typical style of binding of this era. And what's interesting and very unusual here is that at the front is this folding map of the world in double hemispheres that's been engraved with original hand color. And yeah, interesting. You got to look at the details. A little bit of offsetting, some short edge splits that have been repaired with archival tape on the reverse. But nice example of the map overall. And we put it back in like so as it was. And we get here next to the title page where we see a wood engraved frontis, which appears to be an active port, maybe Philadelphia or Boston. And here are two other woodcut images. And the contents include cider, tea, coffee, wine, beer, metals, coal, woods, drugs, medicines, whale fishery, a chapter on whale fishery, furs, china, perfumes. Very interesting contents. They continue on. Docks, banks. Yeah, that's interesting, banks. Yeah. And scattered throughout are a series of these small woodcut images. Turtles. This is articles of food. Look. Turtles, some of which are fit for food. Can you imagine that? That's too bad. We should not be eating turtles, in my opinion, but okay, we'll go on here. I'm an antiquarian book dealer, not a cultural commenter. And there's some scattered spotting throughout. Nothing offensive. The book is still tightly sewn. Yeah, just really fascinating contents. Early images here of mining, down in a mine there. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, I like this style of book publication, and the commentary embeds the thought processes of this time. Here's a chronological table at the rear. Then there's the index. It's very detailed. Cod fishing, whale fishing, pearl fishing. Breaks it all right down. Feathers, East India Company. Yeah, diamonds. Oh my goodness, look, diamonds and the Jew. Diamonds thrown away. Diamond, the value of. Wow. Huh. Really something. Look at this. Mercury. I know this is the thing about books of this era. The minute you start really looking closely, you see all kinds of things going on you would have missed with a quick perusal. Yeah, this is polishing diamonds right here. Phoenicians and physicians. Well, okay, you get the idea that it's an interesting book, and it is available. If you would like to have it in your library, you can. It's available from me, Brian DeMambro.